Yeah, good evening to everyone. So today I like to share some information related to the internet. So today our topic is how to change an IP address in your phone, or in your PC, in your laptop, etc. Or how to type manual IP address in your PC, which is very important. Sometimes we need some PCs to be used like a server or to be used like a share folder, etc. So it's easy for us to find it in our internet. So first of all, what's to do? This time I'm going to uh, change my IP address and I want to type a manual IP address. First of all, you have to right click here, go to your change adapter setting, this one. Now this time I'm using this Wi-Fi wireless connection. So right click on that, and after that I click properties, internet protocol version 4, IPv4, double click on this IPv4, and I already mentioned my IP address. I already use the manual IP address. So actually it was always like this. So this time I want to change. So any IP, for example, you have to mention, you have to find your IP. What is your IP? For example, 192.168.1.25. I want to use this. After that you have to mention submit, and also default gateway. What's your default gateway? For example, my gateway is 192.168.1.1, and this DNS. So you can use 8.8.8.8, but always if it is 1.1, so your DNS will be the same, and you can mention is the second is 8.8.8.8. Or if you want to use an open DNS like I used already before, so 8.8.8.8, and the secondary DNS.8.8.4.4. this is the secondary DNS. Now once you click OK, so the IP will be changed. But remember, my IP, this is not my IP of my server, DCP server. My IP is another one. Now when I click on the OK, so my network will be disconnect. Why? Because this is not my IP address. So I will be click on the OK, and you will see that my IP address will be changed. Now my IP address already changed, and my internet is going to identify. Why? My adapter want to identify it. Why? Because this is not my IP address. Actually my IP address is another one. This is only for testing, only for the learning. Double click on this, enable, unfortunately I click on the disable, but now I will enable this. And it's already connected. Now you can go to your properties, and when I click on the double click on the details, and already we can find that IP 192.168.1.25. I mentioned this IP. The gateway is 192.168.1.1, and the DNS dot is 8.8.8.8, which we already do this before. For example, properties, come to the IPv4 again, and I want to change this IP from 25 to 52. I want this, for example, and also I want to change my DNS 192.168.1.1, and the second DNS dot 8.8.8.48. and if I click on the OK, so you will see my IP address. What's this? It's already changed to the 192.168.1.52. So hopefully you guys understand this, and thank you so much for watching these videos. Hopefully I will share more videos related to the internet, and you will enjoy this. So now your internet will be start with the, so for next time, if you want to use this IP address in other PCs to find some share folders or printers or scanner, etc., etc., so you can find this easily. 192.168.1.52. see, now it's going to ping. You can find it easily. It's now it's able to ping. Okay, so it means if you want to go for this sorry, no, it's already okay. If we search for this IP address in another PC, so it will be easy for us to find this IP address, and it will be easy for us to find another printer, etc. So let me check now. We are able to find this. Or now window R, go to the run /192.168.1.52. let me check. It's coming in this PC. Yes, we didn't share any folder and anything with anyone, so it's already working. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for more videos internet related and IT support related. Thank you so much.